Sa tingin mo, hiwalayin ko si Diego dahil meron ganyan?
Sinabi ko ba maghiwalay kayo? Aminin ko, wala akong panalo sa laban na ito. Dahil ko man ang pinili ng anak ko.
Dad, I'm happy.
Sige na. Okay na. Di bale ng mahirap, masalimuot, nakakatakot. At least, hindi ko pagsisihan na hindi ko sinabi sa'yo na mahal kita, Lucas.
Then I always pray for you.
It's really necessary. You might get away.
Good luck. Hey, I'm always the best man, right?
Of course.
Right?
You too.
I already talked with Dr. Chavez. He said that our time here has been extended, meaning more time to serve.
Guys, dumating na yung package natin galing Manila at meron ding extra package dito.
Kanino galing? Kay Diego? Technical Sergeant Diego Ramos! You have a package from Lovely. Pakikuha na please. Thank you.
Doc Max, where are you?
Nandito sa Medicube.
Diego doesn't have any other family. So sino magpapagdala sa kanya ng package na to? Ano ba yung laman nito? Akin na nga yan! Grabe naman. I want to know what inside! Does Diego have a sister? Only child lang kaya siya. You're shooting at me. Look at this. Where's Lucas here?
Ito ang first date namin ni Captain Lucas. Pakibigay na lang para hindi niya makalimutan.
Makalimutan?
You have a gun, right?
Anong ibig sabihin ng picture na to?
Ang gwapo mo dito ah! Ngayon lang kita nakita ngumiti ng ganito. Lucas!
Ikaw naman. Lalo lang yan sa flash. Yung nabigla. Liwanag ka ba?
That's my cousin. I have a cousin that's a flight attendant.
If that's your cousin, then why are you rushing to get here?
Which one is your cousin?
Right, left.
You should answer together. Again, right or left? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
To the left. That's my cousin's friend. Beside Big Boss is Lovely. While the girl beside me is Sunshine, ma'am. Sinit up kami ng blind date.
Max. Maxine.
Ay, tara na! May tataboyin pala kami. Tara.
Let's go to work.
Technical Sergeant Diego Ramos.
Maxine! Maxine, sandali! Maxine! Whatever you saw, I assure you, it was nothing, alright?
It seems like your Lovely has your contact. She knows where your station is at.
She sent it to Diego, right? That date was a long time ago. It was then, before I was assigned here in Ordan.
Really?
Really?
Tell me the truth. Where did you go? Did something happen between the two of you?
It was a friendly date. We only had milk tea and fries.
Buti pa yan sunshine mo, na-treat mo. May pa-milk tea at fries pa. Di tayo.
Did you always have milk tea with your other girls? Then yet, I was sudden when you left Erdan. I was even worried for you. And then suddenly I got informed that you had other chicks.
There's no chicks. What are you saying? It's nothing. I was only forced.
Really? Only forced?
Yes.
Then why did you smile?
I did not.
I saw it!
Did you saw the picture?
Yes!
I did not want it. Why not recheck the picture? My expression was blank. I did not want it. Ganito lang oh.
That's what they want. Me and Big Boss doesn't even like milk tea and fries. Us? Milk tea? Shh.
Oh yeah, and then, what did you do after, when you brought her home? Did you two do something else?
Negative.
Diego?
I brought her home.
Diego, don't lie to me. You're only making it worse.
Don't make excuses anymore. Why don't you just admit that you have another woman?
I don't have any other woman. It's only you. Look, I went here in Ordan hoping that I would forget you. But I failed. Because it's you all alone. All this time, past is past. I don't have any other girlfriend. I love no one else. It's only you. Okay? Go.
Moira, we face so many wars for us to fight our relationship. That milk tea and fries? I will ruin everything. I would never do that, Moira.
You really did nothing?
None harmless.
Okay then, you owe me a date.
Copy. Milk tea and fries? Restaurant?
Selosa ka pala.
Uy, slight lang ah. Pero I'm not done yet. May sasabihin pa ako sa'yo.
What?
Whenever we'll have a date, I don't want milk tea and fries. It doesn't match. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. And yeah, doesn't match.
Yeah, it's odd indeed.
Okay?
Susunod ha.
I really idolize Big Boss and Wolf. Just think about how they handled their good-looking problems earlier. Amazing.
Well, that's just how those two masters are. But if that happened to me earlier, I probably have been swallowed by the ground right now.
Doc Maxine and Captain Moira are surveyors. You know, it's a good thing that they were not squatted on earlier.
Right. Well, you know, those two are just like rice cooker.
Rice cooker?
Yes.
Why?
You can leave them without supervision.
Solid.
That's how really handsome people are. Stick to one.
Lucas, of an apprentice, thanks for the military and medical team for all the help given in the rehabilitation of her dad. Keep it up. Good work.
A civic action is part of our duty, sir.
And if we need any more assistance in terms of logistics or manpower, we got an open communication line with the governor 24/7. And he has a favor to ask. If possible, the doctors want to set up a medical workshop from across the town. I've already talked with my daughter. It's up to you with Doc Maxine.
Copy, sir. Doc Maxine will surely be pleased with this. Copy. I'll be the one to coordinate with Governor Fuentes' office so we can start the medical workshop there. Consider it done, sir.
It seems like the military will take a long time to be with us until the locals gradually warm up to them.
Just let them be, Val. It's better if they think the PRG is gone. Let's just surprise them all.
We need to leave now, before things get messy again. I'm ready. Me and my family are going to Cebu. That's where we'll be leaving.
How will we inform them that we are leaving the PRG?
Kaya tatlo! Ilang araw ko na kayong napapansin hindi mapakali. May tinatago ba kayong hindi namin nalalaman?
Eat now.
Come on. How would I supposed to eat with a handcuff on?
I'm warning you. I have a gun.
Ano? Wala sasagot?
Wag! Don't! We just want to live in peace. Natatakot lang kami.
We can leave now. We've been serving PRG for a long time.
Wala kang alis! Wala akong tiwala sa inyo!
Pinapahirapan ka lang ang junior natin.
Junior ka dyan. Sabi ko naman sa'yo na nararamdaman ko na babae itong anak natin.
As long as this camp is okay, we'll go down to India. We'll go down with our baby. And then, I'll introduce you to my family, including Maxine. And ikaw naman, baby, you will study in Manila, right? And you will become a great doctor, just like your aunt, Maxine. And then, magiging buo na ang pamilya natin. My wife, Janet, she was killed by the military. She was killed by the military.
Notebook! Sumuko ka na!
Don't come near me, or else I will kill myself.
What do you want?
Get me out of here.
What's up? Are you there?
Nothing there.
Let's go back to the camp. May araw ka rin sa akin! Traitor ka! Mahuli rin kita!
Sir, permission to speak, sir.
Yes, Sergeant Amos.
Because you let Moira and I be together, and I would like to ask a permission. I would like to marry her.
Ari, Sergeant, sit down. May tiwala ko sa iyo. Pero, don't you think that you're rushing it? Why don't you take your time and enjoy life right now as it is?
Because I'm already here, sir.
Are you sure, Diego?
Yes, sir. In fact, I'm leaving for Davao at 0:30. Kunin ko yung singsing ng nanay ko at mag-propose na natin, sir.
Davao!
Is there a problem?
In my opinion, I don't want you to get married yet. We were soldiers, you know? Our actions, it's calculated. Our strategy, di man naman na madali.
I respect your opinion, sir, but this mission has been set for a long time. Moira, at wala nang iba.
I know you, Diego. Even if I don't want to, you still go through with it at all costs. Well, this is on you, but just don't hurt my daughter.
Thank you, sir.
Dismissed.
Is the PRG member already paid?
Formative, Major. This is a major breakout for our operation and mission. That's what I said. Right? Saan ba punta mo?
Davao.
Davao?
But still top secret. I plan to propose to Moira, so I go to Davao to get my mother's ring.
Snappy ah. You really outdid the metal storm, brother. Huh?
It's really necessary. You might get away.
Good luck. Hey, I'm always the best man, right?
Of course.
Right?
You too. What about a double wedding? Do you like that? Before that, let's go on a double date. Game?
Really? Sure, why not? Hey, big fit, huh? You might get away of me and getting married.
Tinanaway. Saha. Ah!
Now, us too.
Has to fight a relationship.
Us too. For us to find a relationship, and then the and then that milk in fries. The milk in fries will ruin things for us. I'll never do that, Mark.
Ako sa silo. Silo. Kung kanina itong gigamitin, aw man. Ah, shit, gabi, uli ang. Tin-aura ba si Jan, no? Marag iPhone. Di siya makaka-capture ng voice?
Capture pero lahi.
Ah. Palit ka doon mo.
Di na ko okay na ta doon.
Di na mo okay.
Patay.
Zay, mo na to, last to. Sa dagat.
Mo dagat.
Kulira.
Anda.
Anda sila magtiping kay kissing scene. Next.
Mong na, ngisi ka dali.
I like it.
Go.
Because let Moira and I be together, and I would like to ask.
Go.
Ay, what's up? Practice.
Go. Wala, normal ra. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Anong gid? Kina, imulin niya.
Unsa man?
Unsa dai kisa?
Tagalog na.
Go na me.
Balik. Ramos.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ikaw sabihin ko an sa kanang kuan.
Pinaitok.
Kilig turo na.
Guys, para. Kuya Bron, si LUBB.
Wala na
Nanay
si
Kiss. Mark.
Power up?
Na-power up.
Turo mo.
Go.
Don't move! Sumuko ka na!
What's up, yan?
And go. Go.
Ikaw na Daisy. Uy, undan ako. Ora sa. Ciao pa ni katawan na. Ako dali, kami sa feeling.
Di ba makita pa nga magbug ka tunay ko an. Game 1 2 3. Ora gigo pud mo kaya ato ang tumita bisek. Ato mutang.
No.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
Ano?
Saan na pagkabong nga? Di na
Mutit sa ako rin. Dungo. Bisa na. Isuro sila. Nanguha na siya. Ang luda, ang tingog. Napakain mo na, soy. Simulaong.
Ano may?
Tara guys.
Tara,
No, hindi na ko di ambulance.
Why? Nata. Di mo maloy na. Gagaga na. Siya! Uy, nani nagsundo ni mo. Ito nagsundo. Nani nagsundo.
Ginabyan namang tao. Nasexy ang balik yung Janet. Gisigaw ang sapatos. Ay!
Tuwas, gasigaw sa patos. Wow, naluoy mo dyan na raong kamo to.
Go.
Jingo doesn't have any other family. So, sino magpapadala sa kanya ng package na to? Akin na nga yan? Ba't salita ko?
Tasaya.
I-quiet na to ang video. I-quiet ang video. Tapos...
Don't! We just want to live in peace. Natatakot lang kami.
We can leave now. We've been serving for PRJ for a long
Dito ka to pala. Ana.
We can leave now. We've been serving for...
Been serving PRG.
Don't! We just want to live in peace. Natatakot lang.
Ang lagi mo, sa guban.
Ay, ikaw!
Bawa na kanyan!
Pagdalig lang ka ulit ba?
Pusila! Hoy, acting doon na ka! Acting ba kay pusilod ka? 1, 2, 3, go! Agad!
Hala! Hoy, sakto ra! Diara, kanara!
Traitor ka! Ay!
Huh? It's really necessary. It might get away.
Sa tuwing